Alright guys, Anthony Distributor Service. Bob's truck. I didn't really make much videos on this. This is the one that had long crank in the morning, and then it wound up being a hot no start, and then a straight up no start. Top O-ring was screwed up on the J-tube. I gotta drop the coolant level down. I know it. But we got it done last night. Hot air test is, or hot no start is gone. Put a different pump in it, just a used pump, because this is an 04. Oil cooler, put our intake, our Y pipe, cleaned the turbo. New adapter flange on top of the oil cooler. Belt, what else we do? I don't know. New heater core tubes, heater core hoses, upper to lower rad hoses. All that stuff's new. Just replace all the wear items. But it's cold right now. I know you can't tell by looking at it, but it's freaking cold. So I'm just gonna shoot a freaking video here real quick. Bob will appreciate it if we don't long crank. Key on, here we go. Ready? Boom. That will work. That was the first start of the day, cold start. This would long crank on him compulsively when you first fire it up. It would, first thing in the morning, it would long crank, so. Heck yeah, another one gone. Figured I'd video the actual test. Yeah, kind of caution of the wind here. You know, we tend to show everything. But, oh yeah, let's see, hang on. Coolant Y pipe new. I went ahead and put some hoses underneath the fixing clamps. We got a new fan clutch, new coolant pump. Put a Murray fan clutch, thermostat. Haven't gotten the wind deflector yet because I put the wind deflectors on dead last right before it leaves my possession. So, I don't know, that's it. All seems to be well. This is a studded truck. Head gaskets are good. But that's a bonus. So, quick video. Alright guys, have a good day.